guys, Ralph here, True Power Trumpet Fitness, and welcome to Magnificent Monday. Just got in from doing the leaves. When you live in the Northeast and you live in a heavily wooded area, you do leaves. Anyway, I'll probably have to do one more before the year's done. But anyway, you saw the thumbnail. The cough cell shall set you free, baby. It is an amazing thing that's going on. It's not where I want it. It's a work in progress, but it is so much better than a week ago Monday. Okay? I've not played yet today. Let's see what we got. It's all cough tongues. See how much better it's gotten? Wide open double C's, no warm-up, and Goldman practical studies. Okay? All single tongue. Now, here's the deal. Compared to a week ago Monday, no comparison. I'm a different trumpet player. My double C's are bigger. I can articulate on them. My articulation, my single tongue is faster than it's ever been. It's centered, it's pure, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Now, a couple things you have to do. Okay, first of all, Jerry said that it would take me a week, possibly two. Now, this is a week. Now, I am absolutely better than that, but I'm not going to count last week, because I'll tell you what. As you all know, I was up in Maine with my mother. She had some ailments. She's fine. Thank you for all your kind words and all that sort of stuff. I really appreciate it. She appreciated it too. She got a kick out of it. All these trumpet players that don't know her were giving their get well soon. Anyway, what was I going to say? Yes. But since I was up there, guys, I barely practiced. Now, if all your technique is there ready to go, then no. I've said it a zillion times, practice is not that big a deal. As Allen Iverson would say, practice. Is that what we're talking about? Practice. If you haven't heard that rant, go check it out. Allen Iverson, practice. Anyway, I loved watching him. Different video. I digress. Anyway, yes. Now here's the deal. I'm going to give it another week of meticulous practice. Not necessarily a lot. I'll probably do about an hour a day. And guys, if you are into this, you should do it. Very, very simple stuff. And very, very slow. I am suggesting the duets in the back of the Arbin book. America, Adeste Fideles. I mean, just simple stuff. Barely goes out of the staff. And take it slower than you can possibly take it. And make sure the cough is consistent. It's not you don't want an air attack. See, I could never single tongue that fast before. Now, in order to get this to the virtuosi level of the Del Steger tonguing, it's got to go faster. Carnival of Venice, nobody's going to pay to hear it at that speed. Okay? Now, that is what I will practice on all week. Right in the middle, just practice on the articulation. That's all. Everything else is there, guys. And you're going to see that just about everything is there. The tone is bigger. The power is bigger. The range is about the same. It might come down a little bit. And the endurance is better. And I'll get to that in a second. Okay? Now, I have a lot of people. I have a lot of feedback, and I will give that tomorrow. I'll read it to you. Jerry had a couple students that are unbelievable examples of what we're doing. I'm not going to do that today. Okay, I'll do that. Start with that tomorrow. We'll do it for the rest of the week. I am coming out with the book. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. It's not going to be a lot. It might be 10, 12, 15 pages, if not less than that, possibly. Okay? And $10. $10. Okay, the other was 25, $10. Okay? I'm not giving you a free lesson for $10. Okay? For that, you can pay your 25 or your 40 if you haven't been grandfathered in. Anyway, the $10. Now, here's the deal. Our 3 rules are still intact. Little modification on one, but other than that, they're still intact. The corners are absolutely relaxed. More relaxed than they were before. It's unbelievable how relaxed it is, and I'll get to that in a second. It's the way we use the tongue. Okay? The tongue is through the teeth on every note you play and in touch contact with the bottom lip. That does not change. Okay? And as little air as possible. Okay? That doesn't change. Okay? Now, what's going to happen is when you are compressing with the back of your tongue, it just compresses and it completely fills your mouth up with tongue. More so than it did with the spit buzz attack. More so than that. Okay? I feel it spread to the side, and I also feel it up to the roof of my mouth. There's just a little sliver up at the top of the cavity that the air comes through, and that compresses so easily, guys. So easily. All right? Now, here's a little variation. It's a tiny little thing. And you're not even going to know you can do it. It's just going to happen naturally. The tongue is still through the teeth, but it does not press down on the bottom lip anymore. Now, that is going to loosen everything up even more if it's not firm. It's just there. You're going to say it doesn't move. It just lies there. That tip of the tongue did not move. It was on the bottom lip the whole time. Didn't move. Okay? And less air than you had before. Guys, you can't overblow this. You can't overblow it. You have to get more relaxed in your entire body and less air. This is the air I'm doing. It's literally a meditation breath. Literally that relaxed and that little air. Anybody, time, energy, a waste of time. It's got to be easy. Now here's the thing. Jerry, about 20 years ago, more than that, 30 years ago, realized even though he was killing double, triple C's and wiping out Maynard Ferguson and everybody, wiping them out, he knew when he got to the age of 80, he was not going to be able to expend all that energy. And he started looking for ways to make it easier and easier and easier. And this, look, guys, I love him dearly. You know that. 25% heart capacity. He literally doesn't get out of bed anymore. He walks around a little bit. Doesn't play the trumpet anymore. Okay? And this is the amount of energy he's expending. Now you should hear him spit buzz. It's outrageous to hear him spit buzz. It's so much better than this. So much more centered, so much more thicker, and faster. Okay? That is what we have to look forward to. So again, next Monday is going to be huge. Next Monday is going to be huge. I'm definitely doing systematic practice, not just honking licks or anything. Goldman, Clark all tongue, very, very slow. That is what I'm going to be doing, and nothing above a high C. I mean, I'll fool around with high notes and everything. And that's the thing, guys. Your range pretty much stays the same. It might come down a little, It might come down a little. Now, here's the deal. I was very, very concerned that I was going to take guys that had to play, and they weren't going to be able to do it because they couldn't afford to take the step back. Guys, a couple days, and unless you have a Del Stager solo, unless that's a gig you're out front playing the Carnival of Venice, everything else is going to be better. Now, you might have to relearn some things. That I do all the time. When I'm in the middle of Petrushka or something that I played a zillion times before, all of a sudden I morph back into the spit and I got to stop and reset. That happens, okay? So, guys, the coughs shall set you free, baby. I mean, it's unbelievable. Okay, new book coming out within 10 days, 2 weeks tops. And I will let you, certainly, you guys will be the first to know. And that's it. See you tomorrow. We'll talk some more. I'll have some examples for you, some feedback, and that's it. Eat your fruits and vegetables, your starches. Live life with true power.